Hey loves, welcome to another video. In today's video we are doing knotless braids. So I will be using the Sensational hot water hairpiece. It comes in color 340, but if you are using Sensational 1 million, it is color 30. And one of the things that I will be using to achieve this hairstyle is a comb, obviously. So I just need a comb, my styling gel, because I need to make sure that my hair is slick, because I do have 4C hair, so it is a bit of a struggle to make sure that they are laid properly and that there's no hair coming out. And because I want my lines to be clear, that's why I am using it, especially because this method requires that I first braid with my natural hair and then proceed to extend with the extension. So what you do is you take the chunk that you will use for the braid and then you start pulling the ends, because you do not want them to be blunt, because if they're blunt then they are going to untangle and we do not want that. So what you do, you just start pulling the ends and make sure that they are uneven so that you get a proper decent braid that's going to last you forever. And then what I do, I start separating them into small pieces, because, well, you'll see as the video goes. So I just separate them in pieces, put them on my bed, so that when I start fitting in the braids, I don't have to separate the hair again. And then now I just want to make sure that I do not have any knots or any tangles on my hair, just so we do not have bumps on the braid. We just want them to be clean and smooth as possible. So like you see, I'm just quickly going to apply my gel to my hair just at the bottom, and just to make sure that my hair is slick. Like I said, I'm not going to apply it to my whole hair because, I mean, it's pointless. And please make sure that your hair is moistured so that it does not break. So what I then do, I separate my hair into three, like you see, because we are doing a 3-strand braid at the bottom as our base. So we are going to braid it off just a bit, and then we are going to start fitting in our braid, because we do not want to use the hairpiece straight from the beginning. But you will see as I go in the video, I tried to get a clear video as possible. However, I could not see what I was doing because I was using my back camera and my mirror is quite confusing. I get confused when I look myself in the mirror when I'm braiding. But it is what it is, and it does what it does. To think that I'm trying this for the first time and I'm doing it on camera, child. One thing about me, I'm definitely the girl I think I am. I definitely am the girl I think I am. So please do comment down below what you think of the hairstyle and how you think I did. And please do rate it actually on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. But I mean, but I hope you guys do enjoy the video, and please do give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe if you're not subscribed, and watch till the end and you'll see the end result. Right, so after braiding your natural hair, I didn't explain this in the previous clip. After braiding your natural hair, what you then do, you take the tiniest, because you do separate your hairpiece, right? You take your tiniest hairpiece from those strands and then you fit it in. I'll try and move a bit closer to the camera so that you see what I am talking about. But you just fit it in and then you start braiding, and then you take another strand just to make sure that they are you are getting volume as well, and that you're not getting a thin braid. Like you see, I continuously feed the braid, and after seeing the size that you want, your desirable size, you then proceed to braid and stop feeding in or extending. But you will be able to see the details properly when I am doing the top, because on the sides it's not as clear, but you will be able to see this when I am braiding the top part. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and please like the video. Thank you.